Hey guys, and welcome back to the HobbyDude 007 channel. Well, it's September the 15th. It is reveal day for the Unified Scale Automotive Content Creators Group Build, or the USACC Group Build. You probably already started seeing a number of content creators posting what we're building this year, and it's going to be a great one. It really is. Now, before we get into what HobbyDude is going to do, let me tell you, if you are a YouTube content creator or you have a social media platform for model car building, you are welcome to join in on this. Now, what you need to do is go to the Unified Scale Automotive Content Creators Facebook page and join the group. Now, there is a warning. If you don't leave a link in the questionnaire, we're going to ask you questions. If you don't answer the questions, we're just going to delete it. So answer the questions, attach the link so we can do a verification, and have fun. Join in and have fun. And you guys that don't have YouTube pages or anything like that, hey, you're free to jump in on this and send us pictures, and we can post them too. But the whole thing is, let's build some model cars and let's have some fun. Now, last year, if you recall, Matthew Inman had the pick, and he chose the 1955 Ford Revell pickup or sedan delivery, whichever. And man, there was some absolutely stunning builds out there. And you know, this group build is growing every year, and I look forward to it every year. Well, this year, Matthew, he had the kind of deal to choose who he wanted to, or drawing like I did, like we've been doing, and do a drawing and find who is going to be choosing this year's build. Well, Matthew drew our buddy Kim Sundergaard with Kim's Custom Garage in Denmark. So USACC has gone international. But Kim is an absolutely great builder, enthusiastic, got a great channel. Love Kim. And the choice he made for this year is absolutely awesome. Can't wait to share it with you. I'm sure some of you have already seen it, but I want to tell you what I'm going to do with mine. So stick around and I'll share it with you. Guys, something I forgot to mention in the intro is that we're going to have a special guest joining along with us this year that also is going to be doing coverage, and that is the new Auto Modeler magazine. They're going to be tagging along with the progress and the finish, so they'll be covering it as well. So I think that's even more excitement to it. So again, if you're a content creator, jump on in. Okay, this year's pick from Kim is, being a Mopar guy, I love it, the Revell 1968 Dodge Dart Hemi, and this is one of the special editions. I've got a couple of these kits, but as you see, they're in the plastic. I've never opened one, and the more I look at this right here on the front, I thought about a good street rod or street machine. Then I thought, you know what? I haven't done a nice drag car. Well, let me rephrase. I haven't finished a nice drag car in a long time, and I thought this would be a good one. And we've got until March the 16th to do our reveal, so there's plenty of time there. And you guys know I love Hemis. I love anything Mopar. But this is what Kim chose, and I love it. I was excited the minute he announced it. I went, oh, yes. So I've got something in mind, and I'll share that with you here in just a second. But I'll tell you what, let's get a look at it since I have not opened one of these yet. Let me back the camera off here a little bit. And let's take a look. Specifically, I want to see the body. Wow. I guess it helps to put a new blade in that thing sometimes. There we go. All right, let's get a look at this thing. But yeah, I think a good drag car, this thing would make a just in the weeds, great looking Pro Street too. And if you know me, you know I may change my mind 3 times too before I come up with what I want to do. There's our clear parts. That's for the stock version. Oh, these are nice looking slicks. We've got a little bit of mold line in there, but that's easily sanded off. M&H Race Masters. Blank on the back side, but those aren't bad. Let's get this open here. I really do want to look. I'm looking at this engraving on the chassis. I'm liking this thing already. Check that out. There's your sun visors down here. I tell you what, if you do showroom stock, this is pretty well detailed. Very crisp. I really don't see any flash on this. Love it. There's your stock interior. And there's your race interior. Oh man, this has got tons of parts and stuff to it. I would imagine this must be the bag. Yeah, it is for the racing stuff. Hemi. Cross ram. I don't see the racing seat. Yeah, there's the roll bars. There's the stock seats. I'm sure the racing seat is in here somewhere, and we'll run across it later. There's our tail, a clear red for the tail lights. Exhaust. Got a couple different engine choices. Yeah, like it, like it. There's our body. Oh, check it out. You've got the, this is what I wanted to see, is if they did it. I'm going to get my pointer here. And they did. For the drag version, you've got the stock fenders, but note in here, I get this at the light right, you see where you can cut that out for the drag version. Excellent, excellent. I'm going to check out the lines on this thing. That's just a bad looking little machine, but I'm thinking a drag car, and this is the one I was thinking about, the Jim Pancake. It's very colorful, and it's really neat. And check out that engine. Just a good looking car. It's colorful, it's bright, and that's why I thought that would be a good one for the shelf. But you know, I also thought about making one up, just a fictitious drag car. You know, kind of like I did last year. I did BG's Taco Supremo for the, kind of to honor my buddy BG, but also as part of the group build. And I thought about picking another content creator and try to do something in their name, but a drag car. And I don't know, I really like the colorful, the Jim Pancake here. I really like that, but I'll figure out which one it is, but I'm pretty confident I'm going to go with a drag car on this one. But fun stuff, fun stuff. And Kim, thank you. Absolutely awesome choice. Been looking forward to it. And we're going to have some fun, guys. Okay. Again, if you're not involved and you want to, head over to Unified Scale Automotive Content Creators Facebook page. Answer all the questions and join up. And again, guys, if you're not a member of the social media community, you're still welcome to jump in and have some fun. Well, guys, go build a model car. God bless. I'll see you in the next video. Later, guys.